How to save Chat GPT conversation as PDF file. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and search for Chat GPT. Now open up the first website. Now tap on three dots and select desktop site. Now zoom a little bit and tap on a profile icon. Now go to settings. Now go to data controls. Now next to export data, tap on export. Now select confirm. Now wait for some time until you receive an email. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.